All right, guys, 2021 RAM TRX. This is what it sounds like before. Supercharged beast. All he's got done to it is some wheels, that's it. Nothing to the motor yet. Sounds neat. I like it. Here's sound decibels. Way too quiet. 105 is way too quiet. We gotta change that up. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna change it up for him. So if you guys wonder what that looks like, so it's got a factory X pipe on the TRX, factory converters, they're huge. One there, one right there. And it's a true dual system, as you guys can see, into an X pipe. Then it comes with these two mufflers right there. We're gonna take them out and install two Flowmaster Outlaws in their place. So we're gonna go ahead and install these Flowmaster Outlaws, part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description for them, guys. And then there's the tailpipes, it's 3-inch on each side. And then they have resonators right there that we keep on because he doesn't want it to drone too much for now. Later on, he might change that. And at the end, it's got 5-inch tips, black angled cut tips. We're not changing those either. We're just changing the mufflers. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, we got a 2021 TRX. Custom wheels, fuels, lift. Really nice truck. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got factory converter. Then they come true dual 3-inch out of the factory on each side into a factory X pipe. Then 3-inch continues. And what we did is we took the two mid mufflers off and replaced them with two Flowmaster Outlaws right there. Part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description for them. Right there. Then the true duals continue out the back and to the tailpipes on each side. And they still got the baffles on the sides for the resonation, so it doesn't make a lot of drone inside. So we left those alone for now. If he wants to get it louder, we can patch them and close them up. And then the rear stays the same also with the tips, as you guys can see on each side. 5-inch angle cut tips, black. Double wall right there. That was just to line it up correctly. Right there, they came out clean. There's the mid mufflers that we cut off right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Now it sounds like a truck, man. Really nice idle. Here's idle on it. Right at 81. Give it gas. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. It's ready to eat. It's hungry. It's ready to eat anything on the road. Wow. Here's sound decibels again. Right at 115. It hit 116 earlier. Just what the doctor ordered?
That's right.
All right. I love it. They're happy. I'm happy. That's all that matters. TRX. I like it. Those wheels fit in nicely, dude. Give me more. I love it. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. There's our phone number. Hit us up right down the street. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. RAM 1500 TRX edition, 6.2 supercharged liters of raw TRX pavement eating power. Oh, so much better. Yes, I love love it. Enjoy, guys. He wasn't good. Ow. Look at that. That's a burnout right there. Woohoo! That's insane. Look at that. He warmed them up. Wow. Enjoy, guys. He said he wanted to go on Instagram. He's like, I'm doing burnout. Just get me on Instagram. I said, I got you. That's what we did.